Something is wrong on this pizza. Come with me. I don't want to hear anyone say something.
Tutto bene?
Wait, un secondo. I don't want to tell anything to this guy here back here, but something is wrong on this pizza, which is the crust. The stretching part of this pizza, it's, I don't want to say it's terrible because it's bad, but something is wrong. And today we are going to fix it. So welcome guys from Maestro Vito Iacopelli, and today here, like I say on the title, I'm going to fix this issue of this pizza place. So I'm going to teach this guy how to stretch properly a pizza Neapolitan style. So watch until the end, smash the like and share with friends. It's going to be insane, this video is very technical, and that's it, just watch until the end. I'm waiting for the pizza, here we go, the pizza margherita. Thank you, grazie, grazie. So this is the pizza. I believe something is wrong, and I believe they can do better. But let's see first. This is the pizza. Let's see first. No. Let me taste it first, okay? I want to see complete before we go to the pizza. We approach the pizza chef and tell him, suggest him how to make it better. A Neapolitan pizza. I want to taste it and see. It's delicious, but unfortunately the crust is full of dough. It's very doughy. Now it's time to go ahead and approach the pizza chef and see if he accepts my offer to level him up, how to teach him how to stretch properly a Neapolitan pizza. So let's see, let's not waste the time, let's see what he says. Buongiorno.
Che cos'è che non va? Ti ho visto uscire fuori.
Somebody speak English here?
Yes, man.
Speak English?
A little bit.
So we're gonna try to speak English. If he's speaking Italian, we're gonna put something subtitle. This guy is saying something is wrong. The pizza is not really stretched properly. Era un po' piccola, la stesura non c'era aria dentro l'impasto. Mi fai vedere come l'hai stesa tu la pizza?
Va bene.
Posso vedere il processo?
Sì,
So let's see his process and let's see what's wrong. Okay, that's the pizza. What's the weight? Quanto è il peso?
230.
230. Okay, first of all, the pizza needs to be 280 grams. Dovrebbe essere 280 grammi la pizza. The pizza should be bigger. That's why it's small. They have 230 grams, so we need to make a 280. So that's the first error. Continue. Look at this. Ok, stop everything. I see where is the issue here.
Dove?
Come la stendi? È un po' sbagliato. Perché come la stendi tu in questa maniera, facendo questo, non fai altro che fare il cornicione pieno di impasto e non ci abbiamo aria. Quindi il goal è portare l'aria sulla crosta. Come si fa? I show you how to make it. So guys, here we have a few issues. The stretching part like this, it's wrong. The second thing is this part, it needs to go upside down. So questa qua è la tua pizza, ok?
Ok.
Posso vedere l'altro? And the other thing is the pizza, it's small because it's only 230 grams. So we're gonna work with what they have and then try to fix the issue of the crust. Okay, this is the dough, really beautiful dough. Nice fermented, I can tell. So what we're gonna do here, we're gonna add a little bit of dough, like this. Quindi aggiungiamo un po' di impasto nella pizza. Ok? Vediamo se la possiamo aggiustare. So we're gonna do this. We're gonna try to fix this and put it together. So this is how I stretch, and that's what's wrong on your pizza, okay? So we're gonna put a little bit of flour, Now we stretch upside down the pizza. This is how it was on the container, top on top. So we're gonna go ahead and press air on the crust. Now we take off all the flour and we keep pressing with your right and pull with your left. So I'm pressing and pull in the same time. Press and pull. See, now we have some air inside. So this is a type 1 flour, which is already a little bit too heavy for a Neapolitan pizza. And voila. So that's the pizza. So remember, I kept the part on top, and he's doing the upside down. My turn to put the tomato sauce. Guys, here the problem is the crust, the stretching part. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you right now the difference. Mettiamo l'olio. Tu metti l'olio?
Sì, passi.
Always the basil goes under the cheese. I put the basil under the cheese and the olive oil on top of the basil, otherwise it's gonna burn. Voila. That's the other problem. In Neapolitan pizza, can you hold this? This is how you put the pizza on top of the peel. Because in Neapolitan pizza, little bit of flour, and then you pull the pizza on top of the peel. And the pizza needs to be the side of the peel, so big, okay? Voila. Now it's ready to go in the oven. That's perfect. Voila. Oh, perfecto. That's a fancy oven. Alright, Saverio, my pizza is gonna burn now. Voila. See? That's your pizza. That's my pizza. Wait. There we go. See? What happened, Saverio? Come on. What happened? Look at this. Saverio versus Vito, maestro di Iacopelli. Che ne pensi? Qual è più napoletana?
La tua.
Hai capito dove sono gli errori?
L'errore.
4 step. So guys, see, that's the issue. I'm gonna go ahead and show you inside, and then after this, I'm going to see if he really understands and see if he can remake this. Let's go see inside what's going on. Okay guys, here we go, the pizza. So let me show you what's going on and what's not, what's wrong on this pizza, okay? I'm gonna cut the scissors, this way we can see. I'm gonna cut 2 slices. And then I'll show you how important it is to the stretching part of the pizza. Look at this, see, the crust, it's full of dough, even if the dough is really good, because I can tell that it's really good fermented. And this is the pizza that I stretch. Look at this, look the alveoli, it's insane, spider texture. This is all the air that we press on the pizza. That's how is important the stretching part. And of course, when I'm going to eat, the pizza is much more lighter. Okay, now it's time to see. I'm gonna go ahead and eat this with my team. But the most important thing of this video is we have to see if Saverio really understands this new technique, this new fixing issue. So let's go ahead and let's see how Saverio does the new Neapolitan pizza by Maestro Iacopelli. So let's go. Okay, here we go. Saverio, remake the pizza. Per piacere, rifai la pizza, vediamo se hai capito qualche cosa. Let's see if he understands. Un passaggio importante, very important. When you do Neapolitan pizza, the part is gonna stay on top. The top part is gonna stay on top because this way the pizza will save more the air. So it's more important to stay the top on top. Let's see. I didn't see the pizza when it comes up. Wow. Fantastic, Saverio, beautiful pizza. Look at this, soft and crunchy and full of air. I approve it, soft and crunchy in the same time. Sit with me, siedi con me, siedi. Bravo, Saverio. È venuta anche meglio della mia, guarda. Meglio, we did so many tests here. Let's see the crust. Vediamo la crosta se è venuta bella soffice e croccante. Look at this, guys. Nice, soft and crunchy in the same time. He stretched really good. Now it's time to taste. So, did you see, guys, with a little bit of technique, we fixed the pizza from being like this to this. Did you see this? Insane results with the same ingredients, same way, everything, but a little bit different stretching. Couple of quick things. Vogliamo assaggiare? Assaggiamo questa e assaggiamo quella là.
Assaggiamo tutte e due, no?
No, perché even the crust, assaggiamo solo la crosta, assaggiamo solo la crosta. E vediamo. Ci dà? Ora assaggia questa crosta. Hai notato la differenza?
Sì. Questa è un po' più
Massosa. It's a little bit insane that the dough was a little bit doughy compared to this one that is full of air. So guys, after this, smash like and subscribe.
Mettete un like
E iscrivetevi.
e iscrivetevi.
Wow. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Actually, comment below if you think he did a really good job. Saverio from Savè in
Savè.
Turi. All the information in description. I'll see you next week. Ciao.